Welcome. If you want to make sure you never miss a message on Pinterest, enabling push notifications is the way to go. Today, I'll walk you through the quick and easy steps to turn on push notifications for messages on Pinterest, updated for 2025. Let's get started. First, unlock your phone and open the Pinterest app. Make sure you're logged into your account so you can access all your settings. Once you're inside the app, head over to your profile. You can do this by tapping your profile picture at the bottom right corner of the screen. This will take you straight to your personal Pinterest space, where you can control your account and preferences. Next, look for your profile picture at the very top of the screen and tap on it. This opens up your profile menu, giving you access to more detailed settings and options. Now scroll down and find the option labeled Notifications. Tap on it to enter the Notification Settings menu. Here, you can customize how and when Pinterest reaches out to you with updates, alerts, and messages. Under the social section, you'll see a list of different types of notifications. Find the one labeled Messages and tap on it. This is where you can control how Pinterest notifies you when you receive new messages from other users. To make sure you get instant updates, look for the push option. Simply toggle the switch to the on position. Once you do this, Pinterest will send push notifications directly to your device whenever you receive a new message, so you'll never miss a conversation. That's it. You've successfully enabled push notifications for messages on Pinterest. Now, you can stay connected with your friends, collaborators, and fellow pinners without constantly checking the app. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more up-to-date tech tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and happy pinning.